Hey YouTube, it's ECP, round 2, the snowstorm. This is ECP's house. And the tree came down. We got a mess. Got some still pictures I'll show you after this. Might as well show everybody. We got a mess. We got a real mess. Yep, my big Bradford pear tree is now part of my house. They're laying on my house. So Ice Storm 2021 has came and hit us with round 2, and this time it hit real close to home, to say the least. Got some pictures also I'll put of the road getting to my house. This is like a disaster zone. The entire area around here is crazy. So I'm gonna be digging out for this for quite some time. No power. You can probably hear the generator in the background. But yeah, we got a mess on our hands. Been out here at crack of dawn, had to open the road up. The tree was across the road in both directions. There's Mrs. ECP and the neighbor. They've been carrying in firewood. But I'll show you some still pictures after this. Take care.